Alright, just as I promised, here's the problem I said I would work out today. So you can go back and check your answer. And that was 18 equals x over 4 minus 2. And so this is going to be just one of our standard algebra problems. So the first thing we have to do then when we're isolating x is to get rid of this 2. And so as we can see, we are subtracting 2. So we are going to do the opposite of subtracting 2, or the inverse, which is adding 2. And since we are looking at an equation, what we do on this side, we do have to do over here. So we're going to add 2 and then add 2 on this side. Alright, so 18 plus 2 will give us 20. And that still is going to leave us with x over 4. Now we know negative 2 plus 2 is just going to completely cancel out. I could write plus 0 here, but there's really no sense in that. So that really just leaves me with the 20 equals x over 4. So looking at this, getting that x by itself, we know that this can be read as x divided by 4. And the opposite of dividing by 4 would be to multiply both sides by 4. So we're just going to come in here and multiply by 4 and multiply by 4. And we know 4 times 20 is going to be equal to 80. And this, we can say this is over 1. And so these 4's will just reduce down to 1 or cancel. And so that's going to leave me x over 1, or just x. So here we see that x is equal to 80. It should have been the answer that you've gotten, but if you're still not sure, if you don't believe that's the answer, you can come back in. 18 equals, and we're going to substitute in the 80 in the place of the x, so 80 divided by 4, that's then minus 2. So we're still maintaining this side of the equation. 18 is equal to 80 divided by 4, which we know that's going to be 20, minus 2. And then 18 is equal to 20 minus 2. And we know 20 minus 2 is 18. And so that statement checks out. So we do know then that that is a true statement, and that our answer to our equation is x is equal to 80.